everyone, welcome to this lecture. So in this lecture we are going to install Android inside of our VirtualBox. So first you need to come to that website, which is android-86.org. Then click on download from FOSSHub. After that I'm going to click on Android 64-bit ISO. It actually depends on what bit your computer is. So my PC is 64-bit, that's why I'm going to click on that. So here you can see it is now downloading. So after completion of download, you will get a file like that. Don't click on it, you need to open VirtualBox. So after opening the VirtualBox, I'm going to click on new. Then I'm going to type like Android 1 hacking. Then we need to select type is Linux, and here we need to select other Linux 64-bit. Then next, base memory should be 2000, processor should be at least 2, but I'm giving it 3. Then next, 8 GB is okay. Then next, finish. So after that it's not finished, guys. We need to click on settings and do some configuration. So first of all we need to click on system. So here I'm going to select acceleration and then click on KVM. After that go to display, so video memory full, then graphics controller should be VBox SVGA. Then everything is fine. Then go to storage and then click on empty. Then click here and choose a disk file. So you need to click the path from here to there. So here is already showing. I'm going to click on open and OK. So again the setting is system, processor, acceleration should be KVM, the display should be full, and VBox is VGA, and also tick here. Okay, so I'm going to click on start now. So here you can see right now it is installing, and I'm going to type go to advanced option and then auto installation. Yes. It can take some time, please be patient. Run Android. So here you can see it has been started. So that's how you can install Android on your VirtualBox.
Hello everyone. In this tutorial I will show you guys configuring all mobile platforms. So first I show some settings for Android in VirtualBox. So in previous video I take 3 GB RAM for Android machine in VirtualBox. Just make sure optional and hard disk is first and second, and take the floppy last In boot box, go to processor, need to change something. Here I can take two processor, make two. Go to display option. Now go to display option. And need to change graphics controller. One more thing, need to link here ID in this stores. Just click the empty controller ID name and select the location, the Android file I download, and change graphics controller VGA VBox S VGA. This is the basic settings. Actually, whenever you configure your VirtualBox for Android, press M3 and in the attributes section have to indicate the local file where the Android 86 is located. Linked this. Here I download it, so my file is in download options. Here is my file Android 86. Just open simply and click OK. And networks setting, let it be as it is. Now close the VirtualBox and open again VirtualBox machine. Simply click the Android or press start. Now Android 86 running. Automatic boot option is enabled and automatic boot is running. Need some time for this procedure. For the first time installation or configuration. Now look at